Alright, today I am going to make a pineapple juice cake. I'm supposed to put it in a Bundt pan, but I'm going to put it in a loaf pan. Alright, I've got one yellow cake mix here. I've got 3/4 of a cup of oil. Four eggs. And 3/4 cup of pineapple juice. Alrighty. Let me get this stirred up. I hope everybody's doing okay. Yep, I got it going. Now I'm going to plug in my mixer. Ooh, I made this. Alrighty. Let me get this put in the sink. In my glass. Okay. Let me get me a spoon. I'm going to use this one. Okay. I got a loaf pan here and I'm going to put half of it in here. I may be able to. Okay. And then I'm going to put it in my air fryer here. Okay. I've got it in my air fryer. I've got to put it on. Alrighty. And I will bring you back. Alright, I am gonna put a glaze on this. It takes it takes 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, 3/4 cups of juice, and 4 tablespoons of butter. But I'm halving this. I've got a cup of. Okay. So I'll soften my butter. Okay. And I've got pineapple juice. This was supposed to be made in a Bundt pan. got it going. I need some more confectionery sugar. Let me get a little bit more. I'll be right back. That butter's not melting like I should have melted that butter. Well, we're getting it everywhere. That's a little bit better. And I had the cake in the refrigerator. It is cold, so I'm just gonna put a glaze on this. Don't look very pretty. Now I'm gonna put this back in the refrigerator. Alright, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when I got another video coming out. I'm having this one come out on Wednesday. Y'all have a blessed night. Thank you so much for watching.